Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing an Ikea mukbang or mukbang. So everything is from Ikea other than the green beans. And I know Ikea usually doesn't, they have steamed broccoli on their menu, but they don't have them mixed with their greens. And usually in the plate that they do with the meatballs, they just do the green beans. But I had some broccoli and I decided to throw it on there. This is garlic, salt, and pepper. The mashed potatoes is their frozen mashed potatoes, which this meal was pretty quick to cook. It only took probably like 15 minutes to cook. But yeah, so I got their frozen mashed potatoes. I did the gravy and their signature Swedish meatballs. And then over here is their jam or jelly. So yes, this is usually the plate that I get when I go to Ikea, especially with my cravings lately. This was one of them earlier on last week, and I just decided to get extra bags of meatballs and mashed potatoes just in case I do get the craving. I don't have to drive so far away. I'm running out of breath. But yeah, I usually do get this with like a side of French fries, and I dip it in the gravy and in the jelly, and it's so good. But let's give it a try. It was easy to make, but now let's see if it tastes the same or not. Your first bite of healthy veggies. Nicely seasoned. And the mashed potatoes, they look so creamy. Here's the mashies. Look at that. It's good. Oh, it's good too. That's so good. So far, so good. Now the Swedish meatballs. Dip that in some jelly. This is Ikea, baby. I wonder if they sell this online in their Ikea web store or website. Because if you don't have an Ikea, you can at least order it on the website. That'll be pretty cool. Sorry if I sound stuffy. It's because I am. Wisconsin's weather right now is very, very bipolar. One day it's 56 degrees out, the next day it's 20. And I'm getting the sniffles. So good. And I forgot my bottle at work again, so we are drinking warm water. I don't know who I am anymore. I can't drink warm stuff. Before I couldn't tolerate cold beverages. Now I don't like the taste of warm beverages. I'm not doing much talking. It's so good. It is during the week, and it is dinner time. And again, I have to feed the fam, so excuse the background noises. That's why I've been mainly doing mukbangs. Till we get a bigger place and I get my own space. Gotta work with the flow. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried Ikea's Swedish meatballs and mashed potatoes, or if you've tried anything from their menu. And if you did try something else from the menu, what was it and did you like it? And if you did try Swedish meatballs, do you guys like them or not? I can never finish the platter that they serve you. This is gonna be a quick video. Whew. I think that was my last bite. Alright guys, I hope you guys liked today's video. I know it was short, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Elda from Everything Elda. Here on my channel, so far I've only been doing mukbangs, eating stuff, but I definitely want to do different things. So let me know in the comments below what you guys want me to do next, if you guys recommend me to try anything, or if you guys want to see me eat something different. Just let me know in the comments below. If you like to ask me questions or anything, just let me know in the comments. Don't forget to follow me on social media, on Facebook at Everything Elda and on Instagram at Everything Elda. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.